Are you struggling to increase sales and attract new customers? One powerful tool that often goes overlooked is Google Reviews. In this video, we will dive into how you can leverage Google Reviews to boost your sales and build a strong online reputation. By incorporating Google Reviews into your marketing strategy, you can unlock a wealth of benefits, including increased visibility, credibility, and customer trust. Let's start by exploring the numerous benefits Google Reviews can offer your business. First and foremost, they enhance your online visibility. Positive reviews displayed prominently on Google search results, and Google Maps can attract more potential customers to your business. Secondly, Google Reviews serve as a critical source of social proof. When people see others recommending your products or services, they are more likely to trust and consider your business. This leads to increased credibility and trustworthiness, ultimately boosting your conversion rates. Now that you understand the importance of Google Reviews, let's move on to how you can start getting more of them. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave reviews by politely asking them after they have had a positive experience. You can do this in person, via email, or through social media. Make the process as easy as possible by providing a direct link to your Google My Business page where they can leave a review. Respond promptly to all reviews, both positive and negative. Express your gratitude for positive reviews and address any concerns raised in negative reviews professionally and promptly. This shows potential customers that you value their feedback and are dedicated to providing excellent service. Once you have accumulated a collection of positive Google reviews, you can start leveraging them in your marketing efforts. Feature your best reviews on your website, social media pages, and other marketing materials. This social proof will help build trust and credibility with potential customers. Additionally, use Google Reviews in your local SEO strategy. Optimize your Google My Business page and encourage customers to leave reviews that mention your location. This will help your business rank higher in local search results, making it more visible to potential customers in your area. Incorporating Google Reviews into your marketing strategy is a powerful way to increase sales, build a strong online reputation, and attract more customers. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can start leveraging the power of Google Reviews to drive growth and success for your business.